Say goodbye to freckles and sunspots with the Kojic Acid Lightening Soap by Bophie Co Ltd. Are you struggling with unsightly pimple scars, freckles, and hyperpigmentation? Have you already tried everything under the sun with little or no success? Do you want to experience impressive? We've got you covered. Boasting an advanced, highly concentrated formula, this Kojic Acid Soap is the best way to reduce age spots or pimple scars. Why Koji White Soap is a must-have that shouldn't be missing from any woman's cosmetic case. Advanced, concentrated formula for superior results. fasterIdeal for daily use on the face and body. Most effective beauty weapon for hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Deeply moisturizing and nourishing, money saving and convenient. The pack includes 2 billion Argentine pesos of soap. So what are you still waiting for? Order yours today and get back that youthful, vibrant glow that you deserve. Click add to cart now, while supplies last. Get back that flawless, vibrant glow. Are you struggling with irritating sunspots? Not anymore. Use Koji White Kojic Acid Soap daily to uneven skin tone naturally. KOJIC Acid Concentrated Formula. Don't be fooled by poor quality Kojic acid soaps available out there. Save money and time by choosing only this advanced, concentrated formula for optimal results, in less time. Moisturize and nourish, thanks to its luscious, rich texture with coconut oil and hyaluronic acid. This premium quality Kojic acid soap will penetrate deeply into the deepest layers of your skin to nourish and hydrate the cells, giving you back that fresh, youthful glow. Safe for face and body use. Wash your face and body with this soap and get ready to be amazed by its stunning results. If you've already tried everything with no success, don't fret. Try Kojic Acid Soap today and say goodbye to dark spots. Natural goodness. This natural skin lightening soap is ideal for daily use. Being natural, it makes an excellent addition to your everyday beauty care routine. So why wait? Grab yours now. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.